The new product from Terra Incognita is a cooking system, model named Wezen. A few words about what an integrated system is for those encountering it for the first time. Essentially, it is a gas burner and a pot with a heat exchanger that are connected to each other. Such a design offers a number of advantages compared to a separate gas burner and pot. Such a design connects securely, which means there is less chance of something falling or spilling. This system is easier to handle. You can move everything together with one hand even while cooking. It stands more securely on uneven or sloped surfaces. Another significant advantage is the efficiency of this system. Due to the heat exchanger at the bottom of the pot, the design of the gas burner, and the tight connection between them, heat will be transferred to heat the water as effectively as possible, with minimal heat loss. Consequently, we will achieve a higher heating speed and lower fuel consumption. We save time and gas. Additionally, due to this closed design, we achieve better protection from the wind. Now let's consider the specific system and its features. The entire set consists of a sleeping bag with a piezo element, a pot with a heat exchanger with a capacity of 1 liter, a lid for the pot, an adapter nozzle for other pots, and a stand for the gas cylinder. So, the burner. The burner is a gas burner of the threaded type, meaning it works with threaded gas cylinders. It has a piezo element for quick ignition. There is a fairly large flame adjustment handle, which is easy to manipulate even while wearing gloves. I would also like to note the valve and the brass thread. This adds to the reliability. The pot, made of anodized aluminum, has a nominal capacity of 1 liter. However, if filled to the brim, it holds 1.2 liters. Inside, there is a measuring scale. The pot features a heat exchanger, which is also referred to as a radiator. The pot also features a folding handle that securely locks in the open position and holds the lid in place when closed, preventing it from coming off during transportation. The neoprene cover on the pot acts as an insulator, reducing heat loss and slightly decreasing the chances of burning yourself on the hot pot. There are 3 design options available for this cover. The lid is made of transparent plastic, allowing you to see what is happening inside the pot, and it also has a silicone handle. The adapter nozzle will be useful if you want to use the gas burner with other cookware. And there is a stand for the gas cylinders. It is suitable for threaded cylinders with a volume of 100, 230, and 450 milli, significantly increasing the stability of the structure, and is simply indispensable on uneven surfaces. All elements of the integrated system fit inside the pot. The size of the pot allows for the inclusion of a 230 gas canister along with everything else. Additionally, there is a bag included for transporting and storing the system. You can see all the specifications on the screen. And now a quick short guide on how to use all of this if you have never dealt with anything like it before. Take the gas burner, make sure the valve is closed, and screw the burner onto the cylinder until it is tight but without applying excessive force. Pour water into the pot. Place the pot on the gas burner so that it fits into the special grooves, and then slightly twist it to secure it. We slightly open the valve to let the gas flow, but not fully. We click the piezo element to ignite. The flame is burning. Now we adjust the strength of the flame. After finishing the cooking, we turn off the gas and disassemble in reverse order. A link to this integrated system will be in the video description.